Okay, so this is a video of how to clean your garbage disposal. As you can see, my garbage disposal is full of grime and gunk and all kinds of nasty crap. So, according to what they say online, I'm gonna put some ice down there. First, I'm gonna spray some of this awesome cleaner with bleach. I'm gonna spray that down there. Gonna help get rid of all that grease and silk scum. And I'm gonna say, put a shit ton of ice in there. Got a bucket of ice. Fill it up. And I'm gonna put in some cold water. Let that fill up. Once that fills up, we're gonna turn this thing on and see what happens. Getting the light. All right, let's see. Right in my face. Oh yeah. Let's see. How's it look? A lot better. Nice. I guess it worked. I'll probably do that again. But it did get a lot of that crap out of there. Nice. I guess that's how you clean your garbage disposal.